Ragi porridge is one of the most famous baby food across the country. Why? Because ragi is rich in iron, calcium, vitamins, minerals. It helps babies grow stronger. It strengthens their bones, their muscles, and it is great for anemic babies. There are multiple benefits and it is easily digestible. That's why most of them prefer that. And an age-old recipe, so nobody doubts ragi any day. But one thing I would like to insist is always prefer sprouted ragi over plain ragi for babies. Sprouting process increases the bioavailability of all the nutrients. This means that when you sprout any dal, pulse, or even ragi or other millets, it is easily digestible. The body absorbs the nutrients better, and hence babies get most of the benefit which is given by ragi. So please choose sprouted ragi, and it can be given to babies after they complete 6 months as a first food, and it is easy to make the porridge. You can just mix it up with cold water and then put it over flame. Even milk you can prepare it with. Initial days I would say please give sada ragi porridge. You can add a pinch of cumin powder or pepper powder, and once they complete 8 months, maybe dry fruits powder, dry dates powder. Once they complete a year, you can even add jaggery, etc. So until a year it's good to stay away from any sugar. This is Tots Moms Sprouted Ragi powder, and if you ask me why choose this product, because this company Tots Moms prepares this product since 8 years. It is in the market. It has amazing reviews on Amazon. You can even purchase this on shop.totsandmoms.com. This is USDA certified, made by a group of mothers. It is packed without any preservatives or chemicals, and the shelf life is only 8 months, and it is taken care by a triple layer foil. We do not need any preservatives naturally. And I'm the founder of this company. My name is Kavitha. Do check our product in your nearby store or online, and if you have any question regarding our product, do comment and let us know. We'll be happy to help you any day. Thank you so much. See you at our store very soon.